Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your retirement with Vanguard, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what a secure retirement looks like for you. Define your retirement goals, including your desired lifestyle and timeline. Assess your current financial situation, including savings, debts, and income sources. Research Vanguard's offerings, focusing on their retirement accounts such as IRAs and 401(k)s. Open an account with Vanguard if you haven't already. Decide which type of account best suits your needs based on your retirement goals. Consider contributing to a traditional or Roth IRA based on your tax preferences. If you have an employer-sponsored plan, determine if Vanguard funds are available. Create a diversified investment portfolio using Vanguard's index funds or ETFs. Allocate your investments according to your risk tolerance and time horizon. Regularly review your asset allocation to ensure it aligns with your goals. Take advantage of Vanguard's retirement tools, including their retirement planner and tools for estimating expenses. Set up automatic contributions to your retirement accounts to build your savings consistently. Stay informed about market trends and adjust your strategy as needed. Periodically rebalance your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation. Plan for healthcare expenses by considering health savings accounts or other options. When nearing retirement, shift your focus from growth to income generation in your investments. Consult with a financial advisor if you feel uncertain about your decisions. Remember to stay disciplined and resistant to market fluctuations as you approach retirement. Stay committed to your long-term goals for a financially secure and stress-free retirement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.